Hey y'all, hey, so if you're short on time and money, I'm showing you here how quickly you can apply the gel nail strips or semi-cured gel nail strips onto your nails. I started at 11:41. I've already filed my nails down, but now I'm prepping them with the alcohol pad included in the kit. And I like to apply my gel nail strips right before bed because it eliminates the amount of water or any type of other substance that will come in contact with the gel nail strips. And with that extended time, it helps with better adhesion. So here I just found the gel nail strip that best fit my thumbnail. I pulled it from the clear film and then I applied it to my nail base, and then I took a cuticle pusher and just pushed down the edges so that it can better adhere to my nail base. I am now taking a fingernail clipper and then just removing the excess gel nail strip that extends past my actual nail length. I always like to remind and or inform people that these gel nail strips are not nail extensions. They do not harden like nail extensions or press-ons. This is literally just polish, and some way, somehow, scientifically, they put it on this little clear film and it allowed us to remove it and put it on our nails. So again, it's just literally just polish. And I just repeated the process of removing the strip that best fit my nail bed and then applied it to my nail bed and then smooth it down with a cuticle pusher. Sometimes I also like to turn around the nail strip just to see if that other end will fit my shape of my nail bed a little better. And then I also like to push down my cuticles a bit throughout the process to make sure that they stay pushed down so that the nail strip does not get attached to that part, because if it does get attached to your skin, it will definitely lift. Most of these packs typically come with about 32 nail strips, so you'll be able to get multiple sets of nails out of this, or manicures, I guess you could say. And this is why I say, if you're short on money, this is such an economical way to go, because I can even get these strips to last for about 14 days, as the package says, if I apply them correctly. I even have a video that I'll leave linked in the description where I did wear the chrome glaze gel strips for 29 days. Like, seriously, that is the longest that it ever lasted, and I was so amazed. You see that it is now 11:52 and I started at 11:41. And then it took me 2 minutes because I wanted to go and get another pack to do like an accent nail. The gold nail strip is Ohora brand, and then the red clayish color is Dashing Diva. And this is what I mean by it being economical, because both of these nail designs I've had. These are not anything that I bought recently. Another thing you will notice with the different brands is how they'll package their nail strips differently. So sometimes Dashing Diva will have a full clear film strip on top of the nail strips. However, Ohora typically has like individual clear film strips on top of the nail strips, is what you just saw me remove. But typically with all semi-cured nail strips, regardless of the brand, you find the nail strip that best fits your nail bed, you remove it from the film, and then you apply it to your nail, smooth it out, and make sure that it adheres very good, and then you will put your hands under the light, which you'll see me get ready to do soon. And now we're doing a time check. It is 11:57, and now I'm just grabbing my UV protection gloves. This is obviously optional. I just prefer to add an extra layer of protection whenever I'm using the UV light. Sometimes I remember, well, most times I remember, and sometimes I don't. Using the mini UV lights like this, I can either use it with my hands going straight under like you initially saw, or I will flip my hands around, and so that way all of the nails can get access to the UV light, because when I just slide my hand under the light, the thumb is always left out, and then I have to do like a second round for the thumbs. These lights also typically have an automatic timer, and so you can do one round. I typically would do 2 rounds just in case, and once I'm done, I then file the excess. So earlier you saw that we cut the excess nail strip off. However, it may not be all the way even, and so this part is just to even out the nail strip with your actual natural nail. The filing part is typically like the last step. The only other step after this is kind of optional again, but I do like to remove the dust from filing from my nails, and I just use my gloves to do that, but you can also use a brush. And we are done. It is now 12:06. It took altogether 25 minutes to complete my manicure, and really, in all honesty, it could have taken me less time because I had to go and get those extra nail strips or whatnot. So had I had all of my supplies together, it would have took me 2 minutes less than 25 minutes. But we're going to keep it fair and say it took 25 minutes. Either way, that's still an under 30-minute manicure at home that can last you for 2 weeks. And to prove this, it is now February 11th, right? And I did this gel manicure January 29th, the night of January 29th. And so that's already been 12 days, 2 days shy of 2 weeks. And they are lasting, like they are good. I do have a few that have been scraped off because I literally, maybe 10 minutes ago, almost fell down my stairs. I actually did fall down the last few and tried to grab onto something to save myself. And the wall scraped my polish off. Either way, neither here nor there. This is such an economical route to go if you're wanting your nails done and to feel like that girl, but you don't have to spend all of that money in the nail salon and or time. So if you try this out, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. I do have a few other videos where I've actually done a full length tutorial on how to apply these with probably more tips. I typically have all of the same tips because it's typically the same process. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support and see y'all next time.